Okay, this car had a no start. They put a new alternator on it. There. What it ended up being is the compressor. The compressor was seized. So if these are stuck, any of the pulleys are stuck, it will prevent the starter from engaging all the way. It won't spin the drive belt, and it's as if the motor is blown. So what you want to do is get in here and take off the front wheel and reach in there, and on the crank, the very bottom pulley on the crank, get a 24 millimeter socket and spin the motor with the belt off. That'll tell you if your motor is seized or not. And then once they're in there, you can spin these pulleys. And that one does not spin down there. It's causing it a no start. So the customer was told, I think by AutoZone or someone, to replace the alternator, but very few times the alternators can prevent the car from starting up with anything to do electrically. More often will cause a no start if the pulley is seized. So they paid $500 for this alternator, and I got all that hooked up, and turns out that the alternator they just got was not good. So I had to get them a new compressor because that was seized. They shotgun an alternator, and then to make it worse is they turned in their good alternator. They paid $500 from AutoZone for this new refurbished alternator, and it didn't work out the box. They already turned in their old one, but luckily AutoZone is gonna let them take it back without the box, and I'm gonna go to a junkyard and just get a used one for like 85 bucks. The original one was working fine, and since it was never the generator in the first place, it was the compressor. I'm gonna put a used one on tomorrow.